Hi everyone, welcome back for another crypto trade episode. In this video, I will show you how to set this quick and easy 5-minute scalping strategy that will allow you to invest your money and get high profits. This strategy works for crypto and Forex. I'm using 5-minute time frame on Ethereum USDT. Just watch this video until the end to learn how to use these great Tradingview indicators and thus get an extra income. Stay tuned to the channel by subscribing and activating notifications. You will be immediately notified every single time I post a new video. To add the first indicator to the chart, open the indicator search bar in Tradingview and type HEIKEN ASHI SMOOTHED CANDLES. Select the indicator as shown in the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. As soon as I post a new video, you will be notified immediately. To add the second indicator to the chart, open the indicator search bar in Tradingview and type WADDAH ATTAR EXPLOSION. Select the indicator as shown in the video. Click on Settings and in Style tab, change the color of explosion line to white. Unselect Dead Zone Line checkbox. Click OK to finish. To add the third and last indicator to the chart, open the indicator search bar in Tradingview and type ATR BANDS. Select the indicator as shown in the video. Click on Settings and in Style tab, change upper ATR band to white and change line to step line. Change lower ATR band to white and change line to step line as well. Unselect Tables checkbox. Click OK to finish. Setup is complete. Thanks to these very smart indicators, you can follow the market trend and find high probability trade entries to maximize profits. HEIKEN ASHI candles is a trend indicator, and its essence is to transform the accumulated history data. HEIKEN ASHI candles provides for an opportunity to detect various peculiarities and patterns in price dynamics which are invisible to the naked eye. I will use HEIKEN ASHI SMOOTHED CANDLES indicator to provide entry signals. I will use WADDAH ATTAR EXPLOSION indicator to confirm the signal provided by the previous indicator. I will use ATR bands to place the stop loss. Have you already smashed the like button? Doing that helps a lot in the growth of the channel. For a buy order, HEIKEN ASHI SMOOTHED candles must change from red to green. WADDAH ATTAR explosion bar must be green and above the explosion line. If these conditions are met, place a buy order at the close of the candle. Place the stop loss below the lower ATR band. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. I hope you have understood the buying strategy. For a sell order, HEIKEN ASHI SMOOTHED candles must change from green to red. WADDAH ATTAR explosion bar must be red and above the explosion line. If these conditions are met, place a sell order at the close of the candle. Place the stop loss above the upper ATR band. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. I hope you have understood the selling strategy. Although most traders are ultra competitive by nature, comparing yourself to other traders is not in your best interest. As a trader, you've probably measured your success based on how far ahead you are with other traders you see online. At some point, you might have gotten envious of some fellow in your trading chat group who bought a yacht with his big winnings. As a result, you probably doubted if you'll ever make it big and questioned if all that hard work you're putting in is really worth it. First, you should take trading experience and ability into account. Just because you sit next to someone on a trading desk does not mean you have the same level of knowledge and skills. Even if you follow the same system or are trained using a similar framework, it does not equate to performing on the same level as everyone else. You could be trading at different time zones or watching different pairs. You might be missing some setups that they aren't, and vice versa. As the saying goes, comparison is the thief of joy. You might actually be doing pretty well yourself, but you're missing out on the small wins and improvements when you see that others are doing better. Of course, avoiding comparisons is easier said than done. Just remind yourself to take a step back and evaluate your performance based on whether or not you followed your trading rules and practiced proper risk management. If you can't help but check relative performance, focus instead on comparing how well you did on a particular day versus your previous trading days or your own running average. I will now show some examples of buy and sell orders. HEIKEN ASHI SMOOTHED candles have changed from red to green. WADDAH ATTAR explosion bar is green and above the explosion line. As these conditions are met, place a buy order at the close of the candle. Place the stop loss below the lower ATR band. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. The market has reached the target and the trade has been successfully closed. Let's look for the next trade. HEIKEN ASHI SMOOTHED candles have changed from green to red. WADDAH ATTAR explosion bar is red and above the explosion line. As these conditions are met, place a sell order at the close of the candle. Place the stop loss above the upper ATR band. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. The market has reached the target and the trade has been closed with profit. As you can see, this strategy is quite simple to follow, but very profitable. If you are interested in having very positive results, use this proposed strategy. Test it and leave your opinion and results below in the comments. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notifications. This helps a lot in the growth of the channel. If you have any indicator or strategy that you want to see analyzed, leave your idea in the comments with the name of the indicators so I can study and analyze them. If it is interesting, I will produce a video with it. I will read all the suggestions you post. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching it until the end.